Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Retrieve Message Progress node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Retrieve Message Progress node retrieves the processing progress of an asynchronous message. One typically uses asynchronous messaging when the content that needs to be sent or logged is above 10 megabytes, since such large files require message chunking. This node takes as input the ID of an ephemeral message, which is either a provisional or a cached message, and it returns a JSON object containing the action that was performed on the message, either sent, log, or read, as well as how many bytes of the message were processed thus far, whether the process has been finalized, and an error code if an error occurred. This node is rather simple, with only 2 fields in its property panel. Add a descriptive name of your choice to the name field that will help differentiate this node from others of the same type on the Node-RED workspace. Set a previously configured Catenis virtual device in the connection field, or configure a new virtual device. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu and click Import. Paste the flow into the import box and select the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Retrieve Message Progress node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. Also, be aware that this node cannot take a JSON object as input. You will also need to set the message ID payload in the inject node to the ID of a message you have previously logged. Don't have a message ID? Complete the tutorial at this link to generate your own message ID. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Fantastic! Now, you should understand Retrieve Message Progress node. Did you know that a new block of Bitcoins is created every 10 minutes? Catenis Flow messages can be processed faster than Bitcoin transactions because Catenis bundles messages together, saving time, reducing transaction fees, and reducing the number of Catenis credits required for the message. Up next, you'll learn how to create your own flow containing the Retrieve Message Progress node.